Hi guys, welcome to my blog. This is Arnold the Desert TV, and for today's video I would like to show you the nozzle threading, the complete MEP materials for your house, electrical and mechanical. See you guys.
Welcome to Nassal Trading. This all are materials items. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. To this video I would like to show you the materials. What is the name of this one? Nassal Trading, located at Tumama 33.
33.
So we have so much materials now. This if you see before this trading, it is small, but now you see a lot of things, a lot of materials, almost complete. Even the charger or charger plug, it is available here. You know, this is also available here. Before Total is not available here, but now see, look at, they are also supplier of Total. Any materials here, also even lights here. Come here. Light, too much light. This is light, is good quality light. You know this light, even 1 year not caravan, Mavi caravan. This light is very nice. You know, this trading is selling the good quality of the store. Come and see the materials here, and you can provide whatever light that you want, and then it is not costly. It's full price only. Even the switch, etc. And then another side, there is also a lot of tools. If you want plumber tools, I will give you. This is for the shower. You see the shower, the design is very high tech, you know, new design. So come here. This is the Nassal Trading.
Forjan 33.
Forjan Artumama 33, huh?
33.
33, okay. Even the oil of the machine. We have also oil of the machine. We have also the faucet. We have also everything here. Plumber and electrical is available here. So come and let's see the things here inside. In this look, we have a lot of stock here. Even in the upstairs, we have so much material. Look, this store is complete. Even you look small, but inside full complete of materials you need. Only here in Forjan 33 and Altumama. Come and check whatever materials in your house, in your electrical materials, or even in your plumber materials. Okay? Even here, you can see also here. Check. You can see also we have a lot of stocks. So pipes. This is pipe for electrical, and this is pipe for plumber, and also this one plumber. Okay? This is AC pipe and plumber pipe AC. Okay? And we have also PVC trunking. If you want to make your house trunking, we have a lot of materials here. Even the tubes. We have also LED tubes here. So come and check whatever materials you need here in Nassal Trading. Okay? So everything is complete here. So don't waste your time to go another area that are not complete. This is a small trading, but full of materials. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support my small YouTube channel, Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.